Pomegranate hibiscus tea has taken the world by storm with its vibrant color, refreshing taste, and incredible health benefits. But do you really know what this tea can do for your body? Stick around as we uncover 7 amazing reasons why you should start drinking this powerhouse tea today. Packed with antioxidants and nutrients, pomegranate hibiscus tea offers more than just a delicious flavor. Whether you're looking to boost your health, manage stress, or simply enjoy a refreshing drink, this tea is the perfect solution. Let's explore how this simple drink can transform your daily routine. Many people struggle with finding a natural, caffeine-free drink that not only tastes great, but also provides real health benefits. From heart health to glowing skin, pomegranate hibiscus tea might just be the answer you're looking for. The question is, are you making the most of it? Let's break it down. First, this tea is rich in antioxidants that protect your cells from damage and support a healthy immune system. It's also a fantastic ally for your heart, helping to regulate blood pressure and improve circulation. If you're trying to manage your weight, this low-calorie beverage can be a game changer by curbing cravings and boosting metabolism. And let's not forget the skin benefits thanks to its hydrating and collagen-boosting properties. Whether it's improving digestion, reducing stress, or promoting overall wellness, pomegranate hibiscus tea is truly versatile. So, what's the key takeaway? It's simple. Pomegranate hibiscus tea isn't just a drink, it's a lifestyle choice. By incorporating it into your day, you're choosing a path toward better health, one cup at a time. Are you ready to try this delicious, health-boosting tea for yourself? Share your thoughts in the comments below and let us know your favorite way to enjoy it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on living a healthy and vibrant life.